Hello everyone, you are watching this video because you have the purple worksheet in front of you. Please double check that before you continue watching this video. And if you do not have a purple worksheet, please let me know. Right, so the first question is you got 2a times 2a plus 3 in brackets. So it's not, you got coefficient on both inside and outside of brackets. Now 2a times 2a. You know how to multiply 2 by 2, which is 4. You know how to multiply a by a. So a by a, you get a squared. So it's exactly the same as those what I just said, and you just put them together. So 2a times 2a will be 4a squared. And 2a times 3 is 6a. And the plus sign is, the plus sign just comes down. Or you can think of it as 2a times plus 3. Now, I'm going to do a few more examples so that you are more confident in doing these kind of questions. So 3b times 2b is 6b squared. And 3b times 2 would be 6b. For the last example, 4c times 2c would be 8c squared, and 4c times 1 would be 4c. So I want you to start doing the questions now. Pause the video. Did you pause the video? Please pause the video before you continue watching this. Right, next bit of the questions are, I call them superstar questions because you've got coefficients inside and outside the brackets and a negative sign outside the brackets. These are very fun to complete if you take one step at a time. You know how to multiply minus 3 by 2 is minus 6. You know how to multiply e by e, which is e squared. Put them all together. Minus 3e times 2e is minus 6e squared. And minus 3e times 1 is as simple as minus 3e. Let's do two more examples. Minus 4f times 3f would be minus 12f squared. Minus 4f times 2 would be minus 8f. Oh, I made a mistake over there. Let me correct that one. If I cross this one up, there we go. Now, next is minus 5g over here times 2g would be minus 10g squared, and minus 5g times 4 would be minus 20g, and that is your full answer. So, again, I want you to continue doing those questions. So, you can read the work example on your worksheet also. Pause the video, please. Right, this is the last bit of the video. And if you haven't completed the last page or last questions, please pause the video and complete those questions. Otherwise, you will get stuck on this question. Right, I'm going to show you only one example. You got one more example on your worksheets that you can have a look. Right, you've got two questions in one go. Again, all of these expanding, and expanding. 5 times x plus 3. 5 times x is, as you know, is 5x. 5 times 3 is as easy as 15. And I'm going to sort this part out. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times minus 7, you know how to multiply negative numbers, is minus 14. Now, this isn't finished. You are going to lose a mark if you leave your answer as this, because you have to collect the like terms. Collecting like terms is very important. You are looking for the terms that are similar. So, the first thing is you got 5x. You're going to look for more x's. I'm going to circle my x's. I've got 5x plus 2x. Remember, I have circled the sign in front of the x's as well. Well, there's no sign in front of this. That means it's just a positive. Right, 5x plus 2x would be 7x. And now I'm going to put my numbers in boxes. you got 15 minus 14. The reason I put in the sign in front of the numbers or the terms, because this will determine what I'm going to put right in here. But in this case, 15 minus 14 is just positive 1. Therefore, your answer is positive 1. Have a go at the last. You've got about 9 questions. Have a look at this and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.